come into a house, if it's a home renovation plan or if it's anything that we're taking up from an already existing house, we ask them very personal questions which some people also don't like, but some people also miss those important questions, their daily lifestyle. We do a proper lifestyle questionnaire. We get to know their daily schedule, whether they like to have breakfast on the table together as a family or individual rooms. So design is led by those questions then, which is a very important factor. So it's very important to ask them those questions. आफ्टर अगर मैंने पूछ लिया कि आपको डाइनिंग टेबल पे खाना अच्छा लगता है, अगर मैंने ये पूछा कि आपको डेली स्केड्यूल में आपको कॉफ़ी बाहर पीनी अच्छी लगती है या अंदर अपने बेडरूम में पीनी अच्छी लगती है, वी गिव यू फर्नीचर दैट इज़ स्पेशली केटरिंग टू दोज नीड्स. So design is, like I said, design is led by those questions very frequently. That's the first step that we always follow. So wall paneling furniture is only very fixed furniture, very fixed in nature. आपने to a certain extent wall paneling कर ली, आपने furniture placements भी ठीक कर ली, but main role interior design में game ही वही है कि आप decor से play करो, texture से play करो, and linens से play करो. And by linens I also mean all kinds of textiles that are involved in upholstery, your different layering of those. अगर मैंने leather के साथ एक और fabric add कर दिया, it automatically adds another layer to it. Difference in material, depths are very important. Your whole game about lighting is very important because it makes a huge impact on how the formation of interior design is actually done. I can show you how night views are looking like, how day views are looking like, and everything else as well. It makes a huge impact that way with lighting as well. Decor is the main role. If I'm using some kind of decor anywhere in the corner to enhance it, that is all the more better. People usually stop at the point of furniture, at the point of wall paneling and stuff like that. It's very important to also focus on these elements which are interchangeable. If the same corner I'm using to keep something, in the future I may change it somewhere else, which also makes a dramatic effect at the later stages. यूजुअली मेकिंग योर ओन हाउस सबसे दुनिया की सबसे टफ चीज़ होती है, वो अपने खुद के घर को डिज़ाइन करना विद एवरीबडीज ओपिनियंस इन्वॉल्व. बट लकीली इन माई केस आई वॉज गिवन द फुल फ्रीडम टू डू वॉट एवर आई लाइक्ड. वी ऑल हैड वन ओपिनियन कि हमें कुछ क्लासिकल चाहिए, हमें कुछ एवरग्रीन चाहिए, हमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए था जो बहुत ट्रांजिशनल हो इन नेचर. ट्रेंड्स को हमने नहीं फॉलो करना था. So we didn't go for a lot of elements that would be only specific to a year. कुछ टाइम चलेगा उसके बाद ख़त्म हो जाएगा उसका पूरा ट्रेंड. हमने वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं करी. So ours is a very traditional approach in terms of both the furniture as well as the wall work that we've done in all the rooms. So luckily, because I got the freedom to do and explore whatever that I wanted, it came out very well. So moldings is something that it can be taken off in the future if you really don't like it or if you really want to change it, but it's here to stay for a really long time. It's been going on. It's a part of the traditional elements of any other house, even if it's done in wood, even if it's done in any other PU color as well. But it was here to stay, which is why we picked very minimal work for our living room particularly. And then, like I was mentioning, decor and artwork is very essential to any kind of house. So we wanted to keep that balance. That enhancement happens with decor and artwork, and moldings is just a layer added behind it then. Horse Plus Studio also has our own, we have our own furniture factory as well, and all furniture that we deal in is purely based out of solid teak wood. These particular pieces are made in teak. The carving, the hand detailing, all of this is very labor intensive in the way that एक carving करने में उनको महीने लग जाते हैं, which is typically not the case with any other kind of modern furniture. The feeling of Jalsa is captured very well with the sofa that we have right in front of the Mysore column and the decor elements that we have right next to it. We're very lucky to have Aarti as our decor assistant as well. So a lot of pieces from Jalsaghar you'll find in my own house as well. So we're very happy to have her so close by and looking forward to more collaborations in the future as well.